Okay guys, components to build your first powerful yet efficient quadcopter. Let's check it out. Okay, so we're going to start with the frame. It's a Hobby King U580 Pro. I didn't use the retracts. I'm just using a 2-axis gimbal, so I didn't feel like I needed them. The landing gear on here is the crab-like type plastic. They work fine. I did a search on Hobby King. I didn't see them in the United States warehouses anymore. I did see them in the EU warehouses. I did a search on eBay. They do have them on eBay for about $90. Whatever frame you do get, if you want to run 15-inch props, is what I'm using here. Make sure it will clear. These hang over just a little bit, but it's not really an issue. Okay, now the motors. Multistar 4822, 490 kV, 22 pole, 4 to 6S or cells, and in the US warehouse they're $35, and global they was $32. I went with a 22 pole just because they're smoother and a little bit less vibration, but they swing the 15-inch prop really well. There's no heating, no warm up or anything like that. It's a good motor. Okay, now we have the ESCs from motorgeeks.com. With no beck, these ESCs can be used between 2 to 6S voltage. With a beck, it can be used from 2 to 4S. So if you want to use a 6S battery, make sure on the website that you click no beck before you order them. And you'll also need this little programmer here just to set things up, motor direction and stuff like that. On the website, in the search category, for this little programmer, just enter USB Programmer V2 and that will show up, and it's $7. For the ESC, just enter RG30A BLH V3, and those are $15. But I'll put all this stuff in the description just to make it a little easier, but they are really good ESCs. And you'll be able to download the BL Heli Suite software from that website also for your computer. And now the flight controller, DJI Nozzle Light. This one came with the GPS and compass, about $70 at getfpv.com. You can find them on eBay. You can find also just the controller itself for around $30 or $40 if you want to go that way. Good all-around controller, and it won't break the bank. So for your props, just grab you a set of 15 by 5.5 if that's the size you want to use. These are 15 by 5. These are Tiger props, carbon fiber, but 15 by 5.5 should be good, unless you just want a set of Tigers. Okay, for your lipos, this is a 6600 milliamp 4-cell. You can get your lipos, anywhere locally, Hobby King. But with this pack on here, it was let's see, 2,380 grams, and in a hover, I had 15.5 to 16 amp on with this pack, and with the 6-cell 8,000 milliamp. I did have a little mishap with this pack about a year ago, but I just had to do a little repair, but the battery's fine. This is the same brand as this Hobby King battery, but let's see, with this pack on the copter, it was 2,820 gram, so it was heavier, and I had 12.5 to 13 amp with this pack. So higher voltage, you're going to have lower amperage. But anyway, that's just something I don't hear a lot of people talking about, so I just thought I'd mention it Little inside information for you. Here's the gimbal. It's just a 2-axis gimbal. I bought this off of eBay about a year ago. It was around $35 or $40, something like that. But you can find these off of eBay. I'm in price range about $30 or $50. It's just a 2-axis, so it's just a roll and pitch. But if you want better footage, you can go with a 3-axis. It's going to cost you more money, but it will be a better end result. And the camera, this is a GoPro, but you can put a different form factor GoPro type on there. You can save you some money there. Sorry about this, guys. Something happened with the audio. I'm just going to do a lift capacity test here. This battery here is what's powering the aircraft. It's a 6,000 milliamp 8S. This battery is not plugged in. It's a 16,000 milliamp 6S, and it weighs about 2,000 grams. It's a little over 4 pounds. I'm going to do this test with both 6S and 4S. Up first is the 6S. Okay, here we go. There you go. Same scenario, only with 4S. I don't know if it's going to do it, but we'll see. Shit! Yeah, that's up. It's going to be a no on 4S. Well, there we go. Components for a good, powerful, and efficient quadcopter. The end of the video there, the little crash with the 4S battery. Don't be discouraged about that. If you want to fly a 4S, it flies it great. But if you want to upgrade to a 6S a little later and put it on there, even better. These things just fly better with more voltage. Now I'm not saying build a small racing quad and put 6S on it. But really, higher voltage is always going to be better with these. It's just going to fly better, it's going to be more efficient, and it's going to be more powerful for you. That's all I have right now, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and like, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.